High-pressure injection machines precisely deliver marinades and seasonings deep into the turkey meat. Needles penetrate uniformly, ensuring flavor.
Reading steady at 12.5 bricks. Viscosity is perfect, penetration is consistent across the batch. Confirmed. Recording the data now.
The internal temperature is fluctuating slightly here. I see. Adjusting the convection setting now should stabilize the core temp.
Convection fans and heating elements ensure even heat distribution throughout the oven. This guarantees uniform cooking and a consistent golden brown color on all bronze turkeys.
Automated temperature sensors continuously monitor the turkeys, ensuring they reach safe temperatures before packaging. This guarantees compliance with
Vacuum sealing machines encapsulate whole Narragansett turkeys, removing air to extend shelf life. This process preserves freshness and prevents spoilage effectively.
That looks incredible, honey. I think it's ready. Okay, help me lift it.
This turkey is amazing, Mom.
You outdid yourself again.
Okay, everyone, a toast to health and happiness. Cheers!
The microbial count is well within the acceptable limits.
Excellent. The integrity seems stable across the board.
stability increased significantly at this concentration.
Yes, the structural integrity holds up across the new data points.
The vortex suggests optimal blending for the new formula. If we optimize this sequence here, we enhance the overall quality output. That aligns perfectly with the targets.
Let's implement this phase 1 approach immediately.
The stability on this new protein structure is remarkable.
It really is.
It is.
The data supports a full rollout by Q. We should leverage the new extraction method.
The perfect blend of quality and trust, bringing our family together for meals that matter.